Alam nyo ba may kakaibang secret price ang CapCut Pro dito sa Pilipinas, and I'm the one of the few who still has it. You're probably paying 600 plus pesos a month for a CapCut Pro, but I'm only paying for 359 pesos. At kung isa ka sa mga early CapCut users, malamang ganito rin yung price mo. Ano bang catch? Walang catch, guys. This is a special policy for old loyal subscribers. So tinatawag itong grandfathered plan. So basically, yung active na subscription mo before the price increase, CapCut lets you keep that for a cheaper price. Basically, yung active na subscription mo before the price increase, CapCut will let you keep that cheaper price. It's their way of saying thank you for being an early user. Bakit ko to sinasabi? Kasi the value of the Pro plan is very good compared to the others. So take a look. Sa free plan, may watermark and hindi professional tignan. Standard, no watermark, which is a good step up. Dito naman sa Pro, walang watermark. You'll unlock the best tools, 4K export, premium effects, and advanced AI features. Actually, muntik na ako magkamali. I was about to downgrade my plan to the new standard subscription from my old Pro plan, which is the 359 monthly. And nakita ko 300 plus yung standard na bago. And if I resubscribe, it would become a 629 pesos a month na pala. I immediately restored my Pro plan and realized ko na napakasulit na pala ng binabayaran ko compared sa bagong pricing. It was a close call. So here's the most important part, guys. Wag na wag niyong i-cancel yung subscription nyo kahit 1 month lang. Kasi once you canceled, pag nag-resubscribe ka, you'll be forced to pay the new 700 plus pesos monthly price. So, kung meron ka na, wag mo nang pakawalan yan. I hope I made this clear. And let me know in the comments kung isa ka pa rin sa mga swerteng naka-grandfather plan, which is the 359 for the monthly subscription. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. And this is Jet, and I'll see you in the next one.